Okay, so it's just easiest to record over. We're going to start with the command that we need to use in order to create the hashed.txt file that's going to house our hash passwords. And to do that, as you can see, we're doing echo-n and quotation marks the password that of our choice. We will pipe that to MD5 sum. We'll also pipe that again and finish the command with a hash.txt file. You will repeat this step with as many passwords as you want to include in the hashed.txt file. Again, this is encrypting these passwords when you pipe it to the MD5 sum, which uses the algorithm in order to encrypt that password from plain text into hashed. I believe I decided to choose 5 different passwords just to be on the safe side because it does matter. It will take these passwords and compare it to a word list that Hashcat houses pre-installed into the program. Again, we're choosing hello. These are just common passwords that people generally use. And as you can tell that I have done this several times in order to get this correct. I've had some technical difficulties throughout the day in order to get this video to work. Every time I was recording, it was not actually decrypting the passwords. And then every time that I wasn't recording, it was working. So I had to do this quietly. Okay, and of course we're going to double check that the hash.txt file exists and that the passwords are in fact hashed within that file. And then we're going to utilize hashcat in order to reverse engineer the passwords. And it is very important to make sure that you are minding your spaces when typing out the command in order to do this properly, otherwise it will not work. I learned this the hard way. As you can see, it did in fact crack the text file. And we're going to double check that by double checking that the directory has the cracked.txt file, and it does, as you can see up here on the top. However, it did only find, I believe, one of the passwords, and that's common. It may not get every single one. It's just going to find the ones that matches against the word list.